Good morning, dear children. You all had learned about division in your previous classes. Today, we will apply our knowledge in solving different types of questions. So, here I have taken few examples from your book given on page number 172, 173, 175 and 176. Children, these exercises help you to build your concept more effectively. So, these are the questions that is given. Children, here we have to divide this number in the group of 2. For that, you all have to read the table, or you can say you have to use the table of 2. Now let us see how will we do these questions. Here you can see 18 divided by 2. It means we read the table of 2. How many times we read the table of 2 to get 18? Obviously, you will read table of 2 9 times to get 18. Similarly, we will do other questions. Here you have to read table of 2 how many times to get 16. Obviously, you will read table of 2 8 times to get 60. Okay. Here how many times you read the table of 2 to get 20? 10 times. 2 tens are 20. Now children, what you have observed, when you will multiply these two numbers, you will get the number that is given to the left side. Here what do you see? You have to find the number that is present on the left place. So what you have to do? You have to read the table of 2 7 times. Okay, 2 sevens are 14. Children, hope you all are getting it. 2 sevens are 14. That 14 you will write here. It means 14 divided by 2. So you can get 7. Similarly, if you will multiply these two numbers, then you will get this number. So 2's table 10 times when you will read, you will get 20. Or you can say when 20 is divided by 2, you will get 10. Children, we will use this method to do all these sums. Here you have to read the table of 5 and here you have to read the read table of 10 to get all these numbers that are missing in the blanks. Okay, so please do this exercise by yourself. Okay, now let us see next page. Children, if you remember, you all have learned the properties of division. Children, in division properties, if any number is divided by 1, the answer we get number itself. Second property is if any number is divided by itself, we get number 1 as answer, and we cannot divide any number by 0, but if 0 is divided by any number, we get answer as 0. So, using these properties, we will solve these sums. Okay. So 9 divided by 1, you will get 9. 8 divided by 8, number divided by itself, you will get 1. 21 divided by 3, it means how many times you read the table of 3 to get 21? 3 sevens are 21, right? 0 divided by 7, 0. Now, how many times you read the table of 5 to get 45? 9 times. Or 9's table 5 times you read to get 45. Okay, children, either we can read table of 5 9 times to get 45, or 9's table 5 times to get 45. Now look here. This question is given wrong, so leave this question. Now here, how many times you read the table of 6 to get this number? 6 8s are 48 or 8 6 are 48. Okay. Now here 9's table, how many times you read? 9's table 6 times you read to get 54, or you can say 6 table we read 9 times to get 54. Similarly 4's table we read 10 times to get 40, or 10's table 4 times we read to get 40. Here 5's table, how many times you read to get 30? 6 times, or you can say 6 times we read the table 6 times 6 table we read 5 times to get 30. Children, hope you all have understood. Okay. Now let us see next question. Here you can see the picture of hands of different children. Here some girls are playing a game with both their hands. The girls who are playing have 60 fingers all together. How many girls are playing this game? Children, as you all know, one girl has two hands having 10 fingers each. Now, so we will divide this in group of 2 hands or 10 fingers. Okay. So, how many girls you have got? 6 girls. Or in short, how can we do it? 60 fingers were there and each girl has 10 fingers. So, how many girls are there? 6 girls are there. Okay. Similarly, we will do this question. Here 27 kilograms are potatoes to sell. 3 men came and bought equal amount of potatoes. Here you can see these 27 kilograms are potatoes are equally distributed among these 3 men. So each man will get how many kilograms of potatoes? What you will do? 27 divided among 3 people. Okay, 3's table, how many times you read? 9 times to get 27. It means each man has 9 kilogram of potatoes. Okay. Now, children, let us see this question. Here you can see a frog jumps 2 steps at a time, a squirrel jumps 3 steps, a rabbit jumps 5 steps, a horse jumps 15 steps, and a kangaroo jumps 30 steps. Use the path on the next page to find out. Children, at a time, frog jumps 2 steps. So, in how many jumps he will reach on number 30? What you will do? You will divide 30 by 2. So, you will get 50. Okay. So, the frog jumps 15 steps to reach at the number 30. Similarly, a squirrel jumps 3 steps at a time. So, to reach on number 27, how many jumps the squirrel will do? What you will do? You will divide 27 by 3. 3's table, how many times you read? 9 times. So, it means the squirrel will reach on number 27 by jumping 9 steps. So, similarly, you will do the questions given on page number 174. Children, hope all the questions are clear among you all. So do practice and solve all the questions given in the book. Thank you and have a good day.